Yo, what's up everybody? It's AI Web Explorer. Now, we've all got inboxes overflowing with, well, stuff. But some of that stuff, that's important. It's how businesses connect with us. And you know what's taking those connections to the next level? AI. This isn't about robots writing your emails, all right? This is about AI tools making email marketing smarter, more personal, and way more effective. We're talking about the tech that helps businesses send the right message to the right person at the right time. So, if you're ready to unlock the future of email marketing, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools that are changing the game in 2024. Let's go. First up, we got a classic MailChimp. Now, MailChimp's been around for a minute, but they're not stuck in the past. They've been quietly integrating some seriously powerful AI into their platform. We're talking about features like their creative assistant. You literally tell it what your brand is about, what vibe you're going for, and bam! It generates design ideas for your emails right before your eyes. But it's not just about looks. MailChimp's AI also helps you personalize your emails like never before. We're talking about segmenting your audience based on their behavior, their interests, all powered by AI. So, you're not just blasting out generic emails anymore, you're sending targeted messages that actually resonate with people. And then, there's the subject line tester. This thing is a game changer. You can test different subject lines and see which one is more likely to get people to actually open your emails. It's like having a marketing expert in your corner 24/7. One of the things I love about MailChimp is that they've managed to integrate all this AI stuff without making it intimidating. MailChimp is definitely one to check out if you're serious about taking your email marketing to the next level. Next up, we've got ActiveCampaign. Now, if MailChimp is the friendly AI assistant, ActiveCampaign is like the AI marketing automation powerhouse. And trust me, this thing can automate practically everything. We're talking about setting up automated email sequences that welcome new subscribers, nurture leads, and recover abandoned carts. And it's not just about email either. ActiveCampaign integrates with a ton of other marketing tools, so you can automate your social media, your SMS messages, even your CRM. But here's where the AI really shines. ActiveCampaign has this feature called predictive sending. It analyzes your audience's behavior and figures out the best time to send your emails to maximize engagement. Like, it literally learns what works best for your audience. And the best part? It's constantly learning and improving. If you're serious about automating your marketing and getting the most out of your email campaigns, ActiveCampaign is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's talk GetResponse. This one's all about using AI to get deep into the data, the analytics, the stuff that tells you what's actually working. See, sending emails is one thing. Knowing if they're actually landing, that's the real game. GetResponse has this AI-powered email analytics dashboard that's straight up impressive. It gives you a super clear picture of how your campaigns are performing. We're talking open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, all that good stuff, but it goes even deeper than that. It can actually tell you which subscribers are most engaged, what kind of content they're interested in, and even predict their future behavior. It's like having a crystal ball for your email marketing. And here's the thing. GetResponse doesn't just give you all this data, it provides actionable insights and recommendations on how to improve your campaigns. If you want to make sure your email marketing is as effective as possible, GetResponse is definitely worth a look. Chapter 4. HubSpot, the marketing suite powerhouse. Okay, we got to talk about HubSpot. Now, HubSpot is more than just an email marketing tool, it's a whole marketing and sales platform. But when it comes to email, they're bringing the AI heat too. One of the things HubSpot does really well is segmentation. They have all these AI-powered tools that help you divide your audience into super specific groups based on their demographics, their behavior, their interests, all that good stuff. And when you have those hyper-targeted segments, you can send them emails that are way more relevant, way more likely to convert. But HubSpot doesn't stop there. They also have AI-powered features for personalizing your email content, so you can automatically insert things like the subscriber's name, their company, even their past purchases, right into your emails. And let's not forget about their A/B testing capabilities. If you're looking for a comprehensive marketing platform with powerful AI capabilities, HubSpot is definitely worth considering. Chapter 5, Sendinblue, delivering the goods with AI. Up next is Sendinblue, and this one's all about making sure your emails actually land in people's inboxes. Because what good is an amazing email if it ends up in the spam folder, right? Sendinblue has this really cool feature called Send Time Optimization. It uses AI to figure out the best time to send your emails to each individual subscriber based on their past behavior. So it's more likely that your emails will be seen and, actually opened. But Sendinblue doesn't stop there. They also have AI-powered tools for email personalization. You can automatically add things like the subscriber's name, their location, even their birthday to your emails. And here's another thing I like about Sendinblue. They have a really generous free plan. If you're looking for an email marketing tool that's both powerful and affordable, Sendinblue is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 6. Omnisend, it's not just email anymore. Alright, let's talk Omnisend. Now, Omnisend is a little different from some of the other tools on this list. They're all about omni-channel marketing. That means they help you reach your customers across multiple channels, not just email. We're talking email, SMS, push notifications, even social media. But here's where the AI comes in. Omnisend uses AI to collect data from all of these different channels and build these super detailed customer profiles. And with those profiles, you can create these hyper-personalized marketing campaigns that are way more likely to resonate with your audience. They also have this really cool feature called Product Picker. It uses AI to recommend products to your customers based on their past behavior and their interests. If you're an e-commerce business, Omnisend is definitely worth checking out. They're making omni-channel marketing way easier and way more effective. Chapter 7. Constant Contact, User-Friendly AI for Everyone. Next up, we got Constant Contact. Now, Constant Contact has always been known for their user-friendly platform, but don't let that fool you. They've got some serious AI power under the hood, too. One of the things I like about Constant Contact is their email template builder. It's drag and drop, super intuitive. But here's the cool part. They have AI-powered templates that adapt to your brand and your content. So you can create professional-looking emails in minutes, even if you're not a designer. And Constant Contact is constantly adding new AI-powered features. If you're looking for a user-friendly email marketing tool with some powerful AI features, Constant Contact is definitely a solid choice. Alright, let's talk about Bravo, formerly known as Sendinblue. Now, Bravo has always been great for its deliverability and automation features, but they've really stepped up their AI game lately, especially when it comes to email design. Bravo has this awesome AI-powered email template generator that is a game changer. You just tell it what you're promoting, what kind of vibe you're going for, and bam! It generates these stunning, mobile-responsive email templates that are personalized to your brand. But it's not just about looks. Bravo's AI also analyzes your audience's behavior and suggests the best content and calls to action for your emails. If you're looking for an AI-powered email marketing tool that won't break the bank, Bravo is definitely worth considering. Up next is Klaviyo, and this one is for all you data-driven marketers out there. Klaviyo is all about using AI to predict your customer's next move, and trust me, they're really good at it. They have this incredibly powerful AI-powered segmentation engine that lets you create these hyper-targeted segments based on just about anything you can imagine. We're talking purchase history, website activity, email engagement, you name it. But here's where it gets really interesting. Klaviyo also has this feature called predictive analytics. It uses machine learning to analyze your historical data and predict things like customer lifetime value, churn risk, and even the best products to recommend to each individual customer. If you're serious about using data to drive your marketing decisions, Klaviyo is in a league of its own. Last but not least, we got Drip. Now, Drip is another tool that's specifically designed for e-commerce businesses, and they're all about using AI to help you increase sales and build stronger customer relationships. One of the things Drip does really well is email automation. They have these pre-built workflows for just about every e-commerce scenario you can imagine. We're talking welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, win-back campaigns, you name it. But here's where the AI comes in. Drip uses AI to personalize these workflows and make them even more effective. If you're looking for an AI-powered email marketing tool that's specifically designed for e-commerce, Drip is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, guys, the top 10 AI tools that are changing the email marketing game in 2024. From design to deliverability, personalization to automation, these tools are packed with features to take your campaigns to the next level. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. And make sure you're subscribed to AI Web Explorer for more deep dives into the world of AI and how it's transforming the web. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.